Namaste. Welcome back to Shakti Yoga with Shaili. The area of focus in this video is neck, shoulders, and the upper back. A lot of us complain about pain or stiffness in this region. So let us practice these stretches so our neck, shoulders, and upper back remain strong, smooth, and pain-free. Sit comfortably with your legs crossed on the floor. The spine is straight, shoulders relaxed, your hands are by your side. From here, take a deep breath in and breathe out. On your next inhalation, lift your chin up, look up towards the sky, and you feel a very good stretch at the front. As you exhale, bring your chin to the chest and you feel a stretch at the back of your neck. Inhale, you look up. Exhale, look down, bring your chin to the chest. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, you bring your chin to the chest. On the next inhale, take neutral position. Exhale, take a deep breath in and turn to your right. Just your neck. Exhale back to the center. Inhale to your left. Exhale to the center. Inhale right. Exhale back to the center. Inhale, turn to the left. Just the neck movement. Body remains seated. Back to the center. Now from here, inhale, tilt your head to the right. You can even lift your left hand off the ground if you want for a deeper stretch. Back to the center. Now tilt your head to the left. Back to the center. One more round. Inhale, tilt to the right. Exhale, center. Inhale, tilt to left. Exhale, center. Now have your hands by your side, palms facing out. Inhale and you take your arms up towards the ceiling. Bring your palms together. Exhale, hands back on the floor. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale, arms reaching for the ceiling. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale, arms back on the floor. Inhale, take your arms up and stretch towards the ceiling. Nicely done. Exhale, hands are still up towards the sky. Inhale and this time stretch to the right. Exhale back to center. Inhale and stretch to your left. Hips are firmly on the floor. Back to the center. Inhale, stretch up and gaze towards the ceiling. Exhale, relax. Stretch your arms out, make a fist, thumbs are pointing out. Arms in front of you, thumbs together. As you inhale, stretch your arms, widen the chest, look up. On your exhale, bring the thumbs together. Inhale, you stretch. As you exhale, arms in front of you, thumbs together. Inhale, big wide stretch. Exhale, thumbs together. Inhale, stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale, thumbs together. One big stretch, look up and bring your thumbs together. Now, bend your elbows, hands on the shoulders, elbows together. Inhale, shoulder rotation. Nice. Inhale, you go up. Exhale, come back down. Big circles. Bring the elbows together. 5 rotations clockwise and 5 anti-clockwise. 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Hands by your side, and from here, shrug your shoulders up as much as you can. Exhale down. Inhale, shrug up. Exhale down. Inhale, shrug up. Exhale, bring them down. Inhale, shrug up. Exhale, push them back and down. Inhale up. Exhale, push them back and down. Inhale up. Exhale, back and down. Now inhale, back up. Exhale down. Reverse the cycle. Nice. Inhale, you push them back, bring them up, and then down. Nice. Now we will need a strap. If you don't have a strap, you can use a belt or even a tie. Hold it with both your hands. Find a comfortable distance. As you inhale, we are going to take the arms up. As you exhale, send them behind you. Now choose a distance where you don't need to bend your elbows, okay? So inhale, you take your arms up, keeping them straight. Exhale, send them back and down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up. Remember, the arms are straight. Don't bend the elbows. You can play with the distance, but don't bend the elbow. It's a good rotation of the shoulder and opening up of this region. Now, take your arms to one side. Still holding on to the strap and stretching by the side. Take it to the other side now. One more round. Stretch it to the left. Stretch it to the right. Nicely done. Now release the strap and relax. Feels nice, doesn't it? Now practice these stretches every day so you remain pain-free. Like this video, share it with people. Subscribe to my channel, Shakti Yoga with Shaili. I'll see you soon. Thank you.